Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a reputable VPN provider and purchasing the plan that matches your needs. Make sure pricing and logging policies align with your privacy goals. Once bought, download the provider app for your specific device: Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, or router. Install the app, grant required permissions, and accept any certificates promptly so the client can create secure tunnels. Once done, sign in and enable the basic privacy toggles the app suggests so you're ready for configuration. You now move into configuration. Choose a VPN protocol: WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, IKEV2 for mobile stability, and understand the trade-offs between speed versus security. Next, select a server location based on your goal: streaming servers for content, nearby servers for low latency, or privacy-focused countries for anonymity. Then enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch to prevent data exposure, and configure split tunneling only for apps you want outside the VPN. Make sure to save and apply settings. You finish by connecting to your selected server and watching the client confirm an active tunnel. Check latency and server load to ensure performance. Once connected, verify your new IP and DNS using a secure check to confirm there are no leaks. Enable auto-connect on untrusted networks and set the client to start with the device for continuous protection. If something goes wrong, restart the app, temporarily disable a conflicting firewall or antivirus, and switch protocol. These steps resolve most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.